Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, I'm going to show you power window switch replacement on the driver's side on this 2003 Monte Carlo. Basically the same for any 2000 to 2007, although I believe the 06 and 07 switches were a little different style, but the procedure should be the same. Tools you'll need are Phillips head screwdriver, T27 Torx Driver, flat blade screwdriver, and a putty knife and a rag. To remove the door panel, first you're going to remove 4 screws. One Phillips here, a Phillips here, and then there's 2 T27 Torx screws right up in here. Okay, now that you remove those screws, you can pull out on this panel, okay, and then forward, and it comes off. Okay, and then you switch. You use a regular flat blade screwdriver and pry out on one side and pull the switch out some, and then pull the whole switch and pry the other side. And now you want to use a putty knife and a rag or a paper towel or something. Just a paper towel just kind of protects the paint. Work it back in here and then work it up right into there and then pull, and then once you get that one, this panel kind of actually pulls free pretty easily. Just pull around the outside edge, lift up. And your door panel's off. You still have your mirror and your power window connected here. So now looking in from behind, a little hard to shoot this, but basically you want to work, there's a tab in the back of your connectors here. So you want to work your screwdriver right up in there and pull. I can show you it afterwards here. Okay, so basically what you're doing is right here is where the tab goes in. So you're just working your screwdriver in there and working it in there to release that tab. These connectors, you can see right there, that's what you want to be pressing in. Okay, so now your door panel's off. Okay, so now you have the door panel off. This is the back of it. Okay, you want to remove these 3 screws here. Okay, and then that plate comes off. Okay, now looking at the face of your door panel. Okay, there's a screw that goes right up in here. You can see that, but it's basically from the bottom of the door panel up into the handle here. Okay, that releases this bottom bezel out. Okay, and then to get the switch panel out here, okay, basically you want to start at the back. I'm pushing it up and in. Okay. And then there's this set of ribs here that kind of gets in the way, so you push those up through. Okay. And then you push these remaining locking tabs up through.
most of your switches now up and out. Okay. So you can pull it up. And it pulls up and out like that. And once you have this assembly out, it's pretty easy. It's actually little thumb tabs here that you loosen up and you pull the switch out just a little bit, and then just use a screwdriver to help yourself a little bit and pull out on that tab and release it, and there's your power window switch out. You can see the new power window switch from 1A Auto is the same, just as nice, has all the same detailing on it and everything. It's going to hook up the same and everything. Okay. And you can tell when your switch is going bad rather than like a window mode or something, because you'll start feeling in the mechanism. You won't feel the clicking as well. Mostly what happens with these switches is the insides, the plastic inside breaks, and you basically will, sometimes your window won't work and will work. And that's usually a symptom of the switch, not something inside the door. Okay, now this original switch is fine. So obviously reinstallation is pretty easy. Okay, goes up in there like that, pushes. And this, okay, it's a little hairy. Kind of put the thing back together, and then you can see that this screw here, you gotta force it down a little bit, and then once it goes, we're in good shape. And I'm just pushing right here, make sure that goes down underneath, and it's back in. Okay, you can screw this bezel on. Bezel goes like that. In there. Start your Phillips screw. Okay, the final step of the power window switch is to put this bracket back on. Yeah, it's just the 3 screws. And with that back together, now you're ready to put the panel back on.
Okay, so now at this point we're just going to fast forward through putting the door panel back on. You can probably pick up enough just by watching the fast motion, or if you do want to see this in regular motion, just check out our other videos for the Monte Carlo door panel remove and replace. And beyond that, once you put the door panel back on, make sure you test everything. Make sure your windows are all working, your door locks and mirrors and everything like that. And we hope this helps you out.
A quick test of everything. Window, mirror, door locks, everything's good.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.